About ARIAN Hostel. After months of searching in the central parts of Tehran, he found a 150-year-old house in one of the oldest neighborhoods of Tehran, but unfortunately, it was not in a very good condition due to years of neglect of the property. The basements were stuffed full of tons of construction waste and garbage. The original bricks were covered with layers of cement. The pool was filled with soil. Some roofs were falling, and one could not see any of the beauties of the building. Yet, it was much better than most of the houses Ali had seen during the past months. Anyway, the house was bought in summer 2016. The fortification, restoration, and renovation process started right after and took 26 months to accomplish. A valuable and historic house, which was forgotten and destroyed, is now an exemplary building which depicts all of the exquisite features of traditional Iranian houses.
یک دل کن یا سر ننهم وانگه گله کن با من سنما